Hey guys, my name is Wally and I'm with my team member Joe Beer. Together we created AI-powered Hackathon Judge Assistant for this project. It's powered by Azure. I'll give you a brief introduction. It's an innovative tool designed to enhance the judging process of hackathons using AI technologies. The inspiration behind this is that often judges face submission volume challenges. Judges receive numerous project submissions during hackathons. Managing and evaluating each submission thoroughly is challenging. High volumes of submissions can lead to oversights, and some projects may receive inadequate evaluations. Functionality: it extracts and analyzes project submissions. It moderates image for inappropriate content. It detects faces to verify team presence, provides AI insights, allows judges to chat with Gemini for real-time feedback, and then finally reads out AI-generated feedback using text-to-speech in multiple South African languages like Zulu, Afrikaans, and English for enhanced accessibility. This last feature is only because my friend and team member is from South Africa, and he has expressed that his colleagues can have a hard time understanding English feedback. So any judge that international judge that gives them an English feedback can automatically be translated into the Zulu or Afrikaans, and then you through TTS text to speech can be read out loud. This is a tech stack that we used backend, Flask, Python, uh, Azure Cognitive Services, and Google Gemini with APIs were computer vision and face API. Right now that we head on to the project, I'll start it up. Okay, got activated first. So this project is can be run on LAN and local host. This is for local host on the system that I'm using currently, which is my laptop, and this is the LAN IP, which is a URL which could be accessed by any device that is connected to my Wi-Fi. Right, so this is my Hackathon Judge Assistant UI. As you can see, these are all the features that we have implemented. So right off the bat, I will be role playing as a judge that is going to be judging a sample project that a candidate has submitted. This is his sample project. He has this architectural diagram. He has this detect code, cat, Python code. These are the hackathon rules on which the project will be judged and marked on, the criteria basically. And then handwritten notes basically. These are the handwritten notes for what the candidates must have worked on mind maps and notes for their projects one and two, and this is a picture. So now we'll start with the hackathon rules. The judging criteria is innovation, technical complexity, etc., etc. We'll set these rules here. Hackathon goals set successfully. You can also increase the size over here so for better visibility. Note now that I've added this context for the hackathon goals, anyone that logs onto the LAN URL from here, any judge will also coordinate with the same hackathon rules and can judge the same similar project. Now we'll add the Python file here. Stop. This is the code file here. We'll analyze by Azure. This may take some time, but it will give us the keywords and the words that's extracted from it. We can also analyze by Gemini. The Gemini will give us a thorough feedback as well as explaining what the Python file does and how it relates with the project rules. And then it will also give us marks like 25% out of 25%, how much innovation there is, how much complex it is, how complex it is there any UI interface? Does it have a real world impact? Was there any presentation and demo? Well, there we go. This is the feedback over here. Okay, let's analyze this project submission based on provider hackathon goals. All right. Uh, Gives us the strengths, which is utilize established technology, leverages TensorFlow. Code is really straightforward, which is considered as a strength. Pre-processing included, confidence score. The script provides a confidence score. Now it also gives us weaknesses of the project, limited innovation, etc. If we go down, you could see how it gives us marks. So for usability design, we give it 20%. It gave us a 5%. because it uses a command line and there's no user-friendly interface. For business impact, out of 15, we got a 0% because it lacks a clear explanation of the project it solves. The project that I've submitted is a cat file. It basically detects cats. So obviously there's no real world impact. Anyway, now that we swiftly move on, you could read this, the description that is given us. And basically, for judges, this could help really easily now that they can open this analysis and side by side open the code file that is this one for the contestant and then judge based on this. If they see strengths, they can see if this has actually established technology, then they can relate with the weaknesses. And then, they don't have to go through everything thoroughly in the sense they could see there's a missing presentation demo of that. Right. Now we can look for the voice customization. This is basically adjusting the pitch of the uh, let's set it to African of the TTS. We can give it a little preview.
This is a preview of the current voice settings.
We can change it to also Zulu.
This is a preview of the current voice settings. This is a preview of the current voice settings.
I clicked it multiple times. Anyway, so that's the preview, but that will be used later on. Now we can extract text from images. So we will add the contestants' handwritten notes. This one. We'll just extract text and see what we get. This is the image that's going to be extracting. It says random password generator, big letters, small letters, all. Sometimes this handwriting may not be as legible for judges to understand, comprehend right off the bat. Written, but then if it's extracted text that is in key letters, it's easier to understand. We can get the random password generator written over here, the alphabets that were mentioned, all of this is over here. Now we could also analyze an image. We could also check another image. This is the other handwritten note. This one's a bit more messy. Let's see if it gets this one. The image that we'll be analyzing is this. It says first 30 days framework, simplify, enable managers to create onboarding checklists. As you can see, 4 or 5 cues only, kind of messy handwriting. Let's see if it gets in. Onboarding, aspiration, manager ownership, first 30 days framework, ASP, what great looks like, 4 or 5 cues only, which was right over here. Where is it? This one, 4 and 5. For first 30 days, all of this. So it's mostly detected the properly, which makes it like 50, 100% easier for judges to comprehend. Now that we can swiftly move on to the next feature, which is the analyze image. This could be like the architectural diagram. Gives us in a JSON format of what it actually has in the image. Contestants may have drawn an architectural diagram for their project that they're working on, has a text-to-speech engine, data storage, computer vision APIs used, image capture, etc., etc. Analyzing and see what we get. There we go. So we get all of this metadata included with the confidence score and basically analyzing the image. If we go for moderation image, this basically is used to see if there's any gory or racial content. I don't have any image that could be inappropriate right now, so I'll just use this random image. This is supposed to be given a good score because it's not really inappropriate. So let's see what we got. Adult content false, gory false, racial content false, and so forth. This moderate image feature may be used to see if there's any contestants with ill intentions and giving an output that may not be as proper or appropriate for the contest. This is the detect faces feature. This is going to be used for images of humans, and yeah, so it's giving us a bounding box coordinates around all the faces detected. Finally, this is our final feature, which is called Chat with Gemini. So if in this big essay block of analysis that was given based on the project code that the judges has submitted for a contestant, if there's still anything left unclear or anything further, judges could further ask Gemini related to the topic. We start off with something small. We could be like, tell us, uh, tell me a joke related to the project. Make it in 2 lines. Let's see what we get. Why did the mobile net V2 get so excited? Because it finally learned to catch images, not just scroll through them. Okay, and then we could also listen to response. If the voice here is set to Zulu, and this is an English text, and if I can only understand Zulu, I can make this.
Witite mobilenet model get so excited. Because it finally learned to catch images, not just scroll through them.
It has the perfect enunciations and pauses to deliver the joke. Kind of really smart AI, if I would say so myself. Yeah, so this is the work, and if I could ask for, can you, what do you think? No, think how much, how much overall, how much would you give this project? Give me a number. Well, that's the gist of it, and again, it's given us the complexity, 20 out of 25, usability design, 10 out of 25, business impact, 5 out of 15, etc. Kind of, 40 out of 100 is, standing by the decision that it's given it a low score. So this mainly is used to eliminate the excuses of judges not being able to accurately judge lots of projects, because obviously if there's 50 100 submissions, a judge could not equally be fair in his assessment of all 50 projects. He may be really strict on the criteria for the first 10 15 projects, and then may get lazier or more lenient, and maybe even sometimes overlook many of the important aspects of a project, and that in the hindsight losing track of projects with great potential. So a hackathon assistant like this, in just roughly 5 minutes, depending on how long this video recording was, I could easily assess what this detect cat Python code had in it, and I didn't even have to open the code file. We could open it over here. This was the code file that I gave it, but the entire uh, demo that I gave you guys, I didn't even open this. But through the help of the AI assistant that we have built, I could get an exact idea without even opening the code. I got the idea that it lacks a UI, it has low business impact, and yada yada. So I hope this is a project that you guys will resonate with, and there are future upcoming features that me and my team member are very excited to work on. Yeah, till next time. Thank you.